Alright, so we're going to talk about your Journey to Joburg culminating project. You're going to have a couple of days to work on this, both in class and at home, but I wanted you guys to have the instructions. So, after reading Journey to Joburg, you guys are going to complete a project where you imagine what it would be like to live under apartheid in South Africa. What would it be like if you were black? What would life be like for you if you were white? And why do you think apartheid itself lasted for so long? So using Explain Everything, or I believe it might be called Explain EDU for you guys, you're going to create slides where you're going to be required to write in different points of view. So essentially you're going to write out little scripts, and then each slide should have at least one complete paragraph, so 5 to 7 well-written sentences using content that you've learned in this class, mixed with content learned from reading Journey to Joburg. You'll then read your script over the slides as just one smooth recording. So the first thing you're going to want to do is write out, your scripts, write out your little mini paragraphs. So each slide, 1, 2, 3, 4, is each going to be a different paragraph, focusing on a different thing in a different point of view. So your first slide is slide number 1. It's going to be written in third-person point of view. You're going to just introduce what apartheid was all about. You can use the PowerPoint that I did and the Edpuzzle in order to help you, and then when you film your Explain Everything, the slide should have at least one picture. Slide number 2 is going to be a first-person point of view of a black person during the apartheid period. So explain what you think life would be like for you. This has to include an example from Journey to Joburg, but the entire paragraph should be written from the point of view of a black person. So first-person point of view of an African American. And you should also include a picture, in the slide. Slide 3 is a first-person point of view of a white person during the apartheid. Explain what it would be like for you. Include an example from Journey to Joburg. There are several different sections that you can choose from, but the entire paragraph is written from the point of view of a white person during this time period. Again, one picture should be displayed when you do your Explain Everything video. Slide 4. This is going to be first-person point of view as yourself, you as a student. After learning about the historical context of apartheid in South Africa, tell me why you think apartheid lasted for so long, 1948 to 1944, and end by summarizing your thoughts on apartheid. Again, include at least one picture. Finally, your 5th slide in Explain Everything should just be a citation of your images and notes.